we are going to discuss the food that we eat. There are certain words which get confusing at times when we are using them in our general vocabulary. So today we will take up the dictionary section, the certain words which you find that it is somewhat I should know more about this definition, right? So as you can see, there is a thali in front of you, and everyone would be preparing this kind of thali at home. And at different meals, like in breakfast you have a different thali over there. During lunch it is something different, at night it is something different. So dinner, breakfast, lunch, brunch and all that things, evening snacks. See dear students, this thali will keep changing, right? But this is a general food items. We are going to discuss about this in this video. What is a dish? A food item which is prepared by using 2 or more ingredients. So then it is a dish. Food is a very general term. General means it is a very common word. From salad to banana, everything is considered food. So if you are just eating banana and apple, or you are making a fruit salad, then this all will be considered food. Even the kadi chawal will be the food. But when particularly you are mixing up, you are talking about the food items you have prepared, mixing them together, then it will be called dish. So whatever parts and substances you are adding to that dish will be called the ingredients. This is important. Like for example, I always take, if you are cooking a khichdi, then you are adding the rice, the dal of your choice, the spices, you are adding water to it, and this is how a simple khichdi can be prepared. So that these 4 things will be the ingredients. Menu is a list of the dishes served at the time of a meal. So menu changes from person to person. Somebody would like to have the Chinese menu, somebody would like to have the Mexican ones, or Indian, or the Punjabi, Tandooris, whatever. So menu is a list of the dishes. So it's a long list of dishes. It is a huge list of dishes. Nutrients is what basically, my dear students, you should look for. Whenever you are ordering a food, you are going for a good dish, check out the nutrient. Like as I said in the first video, do you think the burgers are really nutritive? No. You can make them nutritive, but right now these things, these nutrients, they are almost negligible, or the amount of nutrients they provide is very less. So what is nutrient? Chemical substances found in food that are essential for the growth and maintenance of the body. So they add value to your food. So whenever you go and check out a dish or menu, please check out how much nutritive that food is. Now comes, what is a food? We have already discussed it, that any substance which is eaten by us, and it is going to help us to grow, to work, to maintain our body, to repair our dead cells, etc., etc. And what is cooking? Yes, it is the act of preparing food. You can do cooking by boiling, roasting, frying, baking a cake, etc. This is a list of questions I have written. Boiled rice, what are the ingredients? Rice and water. Kheer, milk, rice, sugar and nuts. And now you have to think about, what about idli? So what are the ingredients that have been used for idlis? So these are the new words that you are supposed to go through once you are into this chapter. Thank you, class.